Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use recovery codes to log into your DocuSign account. So in case you're struggling to log in and you forget your password or your verification method is not working, you can use recovery codes to quickly log into your account. So I'm going to walk you through the steps that you need to take, and then I'm going to walk you through step by step as well how you can find and enable recovery codes and how you can save those recovery codes. So the steps basically explain that you can easily go in and click manage your profile. So you need to select your account, click manage profile, go to privacy and security, and of course you have the steps here in the upper right. You click your account, manage profile, then you have to go to the privacy and security, and all you need to do really is to go ahead and ensure that you have those recovery codes. And during the login process, you will have the verification with SMS, and at the bottom you should see the option that says choose another method or use recovery code. You choose recovery code and you use those recovery code. Now that you know the steps on how to actually use recovery code, let me show you how you can find this recovery code. So in your account, on the upper right hand side, you have your account. Click manage profile, and you can see once you click on the manage profile here, it's going to take you over to your profile looking like this. And on the left hand side, you click on privacy and security. Down in this list, you will have the recovery code. So you can click on show recovery codes, and you have your recovery codes right here. And you can use this recovery code, any one of them you can use. So go ahead and save them, and you can use those recovery codes. So once you have those recovery codes saved wherever you have them, then when you're going through the process of login and you'll have the verify with SMS section, you will just choose the recovery code option at the bottom and enter that recovery code. And that's how you'll be able to log in using recovery code in DocuSign. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.